sun keeps climbing through the silence, pouring gold across your face. And when my heart reaches for love, I question the vow I left in its place. I rinse my tears in echoes of our words. My heart remembers trembling inside, like a shadow learning how to breathe, hidden deep, where the light can't survive. Slowly taught our love to disappear. These tears keep singing broken songs. We're dressed in grief, stitched by pain. Still love keeps rising in the space between us, refusing to fade. These tears keep singing broken songs. We're wrapped in wounds we couldn't outrun. Still love keeps rising between us, binding us as one. I feel like stone left by the roadside, a body with a borrowed name. The sun keeps setting all my thoughts over and over, the same old flame. But my love for you has no ending. Answer me softly with what remains of love. New Scylla once hidden waits for the moment we unite. This love is learning how to begin again. These tears keep singing broken songs.